Evaluating the indefinite integral of the sixth root of cotangent x dx. Let z equal the sixth root of cotangent x, thus cotangent x is z to the sixth power. Differentiating our cotangent gives dx equals negative 6z to the fifth over 1 plus z to the 12 dz. Substituting z and dx yields negative 6 times the integral of z to the sixth over z to the 12 plus 1 dz. Dividing numerator and denominator by z to the sixth gives 1 over z to the sixth plus 1 over z to the sixth. We rewrite 1 using the sum of 1 plus 1 over z squared and 1 minus 1 over z squared. This splits the integral into two symmetrical parts multiplied by negative 3. We denote the first integral as I1 and the second integral as I2. Therefore, our target integral I equals negative 3I1 minus 3I2. To evaluate I1, set u equals z minus 1 over z. The differential do is 1 plus 1 over z squared dz. Squaring u gives z squared plus 1 over z squared equals u squared plus 2. We apply the algebraic identity for the sum of cubes. Expressing z to the sixth plus 1 over z to the sixth in terms of z squared plus 1 over z squared. Substituting u squared plus 2 yields u squared plus 2 cubed minus 3 times u squared plus 2. Factoring out u squared plus 2 leaves u squared plus 2 squared minus 3. Applying difference of squares gives 3 distinct quadratic factors. Let y equal u squared. We set up the partial fraction decomposition with constants a, b, and c. Covering the first factor gives coefficient a equals 1/6. Covering the second factor gives coefficient b equals 1/6. Covering the third factor gives coefficient c equals negative 1/3. Substituting coefficients back gives 3 standard integrals for I1. We use the standard inverse tangent integration formula. Multiplying I1 by negative 3 scales the coefficients to minus 1/2, minus 1/2, and plus 1. Integrating term by term gives these 3 inverse tangent components. Recall that u equals the sixth root of cotangent x minus 1 over the sixth root of cotangent x, which simplifies neatly to the sixth root of cotangent x minus the sixth root of tangent x. For the second integral I2, let t equal z plus 1 over z. The differential dt is 1 minus 1 over z squared dz. Squaring t gives z squared plus 1 over z squared equals t squared minus 2. Applying the sum of cubes formula with t squared minus 2. Factoring gives 3 quadratic terms involving difference of squares. Thus, integral I2 transforms into rational form and variable t. Partial fraction decomposition produces coefficients 1/6, 1/6, and negative 1/3. We use the standard logarithmic integration formula. Multiplying by negative 3 scales the integral coefficients. Integrating each rational term produces 3 logarithmic expressions, where t back substitutes as the sixth root of cotangent x plus the sixth root of tangent x. Combining all parts yields the complete exact closed form antiderivative.